Everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to clear your cache data on your phone if your phone is hanging and you don't know what is occupying space on your phone. So today's video will be showing you how to clear your cache data on your phone. Okay, so my phone is Samsung S7 Edge, which the total memory of my phone is 32 gigabytes. So let's check my file. Okay, as you can see from my file storage is 32 gigabytes and I've used up above 26 gigabytes of the storage space. Okay, so if you want to know what is actually consuming most of your data, you need to follow the steps I will be giving in this video. Though my type of person, I'm a fan of applications, so most of the applications of my phone took most of my disk storage. Okay, but if you are a fan of picture, most of the things that will take up your storage files will be your junk photos, junk videos which you've deleted maybe 3 months, 4 months ago, that is taking the storage, because once you delete any picture it gets saved on the phone again. It's not permanently deleted, so some of it actually cost you memory space on your phone. So what you need to do is to follow the instruction. You head over to your settings. Okay, so from your settings, go to settings on your phone. Okay, you go to your settings on your phone. From settings on your phone, this is a Samsung phone, you go to device maintenance. Okay, from device maintenance you go to storage. This is storage, you go to storage. From storage you head over to the options key, the more options key, which is the 3 dots key. So you click the more option key. From the more option key you go to storage settings. Okay, from storage settings you head over to device memory. Okay, as you can see, it's actually loading the files on my system, consuming my data. So from what you can see over here, you can see that the total storage of my phone is 32 gigabytes, while the available space is 5.4 gigabytes. If you scroll down, you will see that other app is taking huge sum of my disk space and it's taking 13.8 gigabytes out of 32 gigabytes. So once you see that, you head over and click the other apps. Once you click other apps, it will show you the files consuming your disk space. Okay, as you can see, I said earlier on that I love applications, so most of the applications are consuming my data space. But if you are a fan of pictures, you do snap pictures a lot, you do videos, most of these will be from your gallery, old deleted pictures. All you need to do is to head over to your gallery. So let me sort by name so as to head over to my gallery. So from my gallery, you can see from my gallery I have 81 megabytes of my gallery. So once you are a fan of gallery or snapping of pictures, instead of something like 81 megabytes or 200 megabytes, what you'll be seeing here is around 15 gigabytes or 20 gigabytes. What you just need to do is to click the gallery click your gallery. Once you click your gallery, instead of clearing your cache, you won't clear cache, you clear data. You won't clear your cache, you clear your data. So once you clear your data, don't worry about losing any files. You won't lose any of your current files. All you lose is the previously deleted pictures that is still on your phone. So you clear your data, clear data. All of this application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. Databases are the previously deleted pictures, so you go ahead by deleting it. So don't be afraid, you won't lose any file. So once you clear your data, you will see that your memory will be relieved and you'll be able to have more data space on your phone. Let me head over to my gallery and confirm if any of my pictures got deleted. You see that none of my pictures, current pictures, will get deleted from my phone. So it's still loading. See, these are my pictures, they are still loading. None of it got deleted from my phone. So none of my pictures got deleted from my phone. My phone is still angry. So let me go back to show you my pictures. None of its gallery. Okay, none of my pictures got deleted from my phones. Okay, just did a reset of my gallery. So if you are a fan of applications and you want to clear your cache data at once, all you need to do is there is no settings for Android 8.0 and above to clear all cache data at once. All you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. Okay, head over to your Play Store. Once you head over to your Play Store, there is an app called One Tap Cleaner. One Tap Cleaner. You download and install One Tap Cleaner. Once you download and install One Tap Cleaner, we have two versions of One Tap Cleaner. We have the Pro version. This is the Pro version for $2.99. This is the free version. If you want to Pro version, you can download for $2.99. As at today is 14th of June 2021. You can download the Pro version, but if you want the free version, you can download the free version, which is what I downloaded. You open the free version or the Pro version, any of the One Tap you downloaded. So once you open it, this is where we are going to, the cache cleaner. This is what we need from the One Tap Cleaner to clear our cache at once. So all you need to do is to click the cache cleaner. So the cache cleaner will calculate all the cache data. Cache cleaner, tap this to clear apps created cache files for increasing the available size and improving the speed. So the cache cleaner, as the One Tap Cleaner has already given you for Pi, you can see my cache for Pi is 82.32 megabytes. For Music Match 60. So all you need to do to clear your cache at once is to click the cleaner. So 761 megabytes of cache data of all my app at once will be cleared. Instead of clearing the app one after the other, I can clear it at once from the One Tap Cleaner. So I will untick the apps with large cache. So once I unclick the apps with large cache, that means all the small cache also will be deleted from the phone. So you tick the cleaner, calculating package sizes. So once it calculates the package sizes, you can do the cleaning at once. Enable accessibility service to automatically execute action, e.g. clean cache without manually confirming for each apps. Yes. So the accessibility, you scroll up to find to see your one tap cleaner. Once you tap it, you on the one tap cleaner to have access to your accessibility settings. After that, you can go back to the app to do the cleaning at once. Don't tap the screen, back or home button while running the task. To stop, tap the progress window, cancel window. Okay, you can click OK. So you wait while the app actually finishes. The app has given you that you should not tap anywhere while you shouldn't back it while it is still clearing your cache data. So all you need to do is just to be patient and wait for the one tap cache cleaner to finish clearing all your cache at once. You can see the instruction: don't tap back or home button while running. To stop or close this window, please tap the cancel button. In order not to affect your phone, it's better you follow the instruction. So I believe you've learned something from this video. If you like the video, please do well to like the video and subscribe for more useful content from me, so as to get notified each time I release my content. Thank you so much for your time and do have a nice day. Bye. See you next time.